In this video, we're going to cover how to use sticky notes for extra motivation. And there's more to it than that. In this video, we're going to cover tip number 6 of 31. After the video, you can go to superfastcpa.com/free to get the full guide. So this tip is to put reminders everywhere. You've got this huge goal that is extremely difficult to do, especially on a daily basis. And so you want to put reminders of, not just reminders, I'm not saying put reminders of you need to study all over the place. Really what you're doing is putting reminders of your why you're doing this. Putting reminders everywhere, it makes it easier to hit your study goals every day, and it helps you stay on track so that you can push through and hit each day's study goals. I can't say it enough. That is what it comes down to. The battle of the CPA exams will be won and lost on a daily basis. So here's some ideas. First of all, you can put a little statement on your lock screen on your phone. Your lock screen is something that you look at probably 100 times a day or more. And so putting a 2 to 3 sentence version of your goal statement on why you want to pass, or a picture of your goal reward for when you pass, going back to video 4, you could write a text, you could write it in the notes app or whatever, and then you just take a screenshot and then make that your lock screen. I'm crazy enough that I did that when I was studying. I had just a few sentences reminding me of why I was working so hard to get done with the exams, and I had that on my lock screen. Another idea is obviously sticky notes. Sticky notes can go anywhere. Again, write a little statement or reminder statement of why you're doing this, basing it off of, I believe, tip number 2, writing your CPA goal statement or mission statement. Then you can put these sticky notes on places that you see multiple times a day, like your bathroom mirror, the side of your monitor on your computer, on your bedstand, or even in your car. The third thing would be text reminders. There are a lot of apps out there where you can set up to send you periodic text during the day, or even apps that send you push notifications. There are a lot of different goal apps that you can download to set up push notifications that will send you messages throughout your day to keep yourself on track. Now again, this is just one of 31 tips from our free guide. This was tip number 6. In this guide, we cover motivation strategies, which this is one of, and time management strategies. We cover study strategies. That's what makes up most of that guide. And then exam day strategies. You can download that for free at superfastcpa.com/free. So go there, you can download those, and thank you for watching the video.